Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this model right here. By the way, I have a friend Brian Cup. Well, check out some of his videos. Thank you. And first, it's a rectangle, right? Normal paper. You fold it up like this. Then crease it. After you crease it, I would go through what you know a few times. Like that. And open it up. As you can see, it's like this. And then after that, you fold it up like this. And do that. Same with the other side. And if you hear that, just avoid it. I know it's annoying, but yeah. It's annoying, isn't it? You think it's funny, but I don't. Alright, like that. And then one more thing. Put it up like that one more time on each side. I wouldn't use stiff paper, that's what I'm using. And there we go. By the way, remember Brian Cup. He's my second favorite viewer in the world. And yeah, thanks.